Hey there friends, Hank here with a quick scale modeling product review for you guys. If you've been following the channel for a while, you'll probably recognize this gorgeous ceramic church scene that I picked up from the good folks over at RT Diorama a while back. I've been slowly plugging away at this here and there, and finally just wrapped up work on it this week, so I figured I'd share some quick thoughts about the product with you all. Now, I will say, I didn't film any content of me painting and weathering this up this time around, though I do have a full video of the construction. If you'd like to check that out, I'll link to it right here. But I use this as sort of a practice piece before I actually make a tutorial for you guys. If you would be interested in one though, please do let me know down in the comments below. As for the diorama kit itself, it's absolutely wonderful for an out-of-the-box, ready-to-go dio kit. The ceramic pieces are highly detailed and glue up quite nicely without too much cleanup required at all. You do need a little plaster filler just to seal up the gaps between the parts a little bit, but as you can see, those are tough to see without a very close inspection. The kit paints and weathers right up with whatever products you've already got on hand for modeling work. I airbrushed the main sections here with acrylic and then went back with a brush to add some little detail and variation between all the different stones and bricks, which was a very fun and relaxing process, honestly. And then I just did some basic weathering with enamels and pigments, nothing too fancy at all. I also added a bit of groundwork up by the church here, just using some PVA glue, a little bit of dirt, and some static grass just to break up all that stone there. All in all, I'd highly recommend trying one of these kits out. They're a little pricey, of course, but they do look like $1 million, and they really add a lot to your display case, like you can see here. I didn't actually mount any of these figures, they're just popped on there for a little demonstration of what you can do. So hopefully that's helpful to you all, and again, if you would like to see a full tutorial on how to paint up one of these RT Diorama sets, let me know down in the comments below. I'll order up another one and we can get working on that. So until next time, my friends, be well, happy building, cheers.